One, start. Welcome to Popcorn Review. Today, we are back with another podcast about Inception. And also, I would like to introduce our guest, Mr. Happy. So, welcome, Mr. Happy. How are you?
I'm absolutely fine. How about you, Rishi?
I am also fine. So, would you like to introduce the movie Inception or give us some glimpses about that?
So, first of all, the movie which I'm going to speak about, Inception, is one of the greatest mystery and thriller genre movie in a science fiction. It has the greatest ratings on IMDb if we search for the genre science fiction, rating to
Hmm?
8.8 out of 10. It has
Mhm.
been directed by the greatest directors of all time, Christopher Nolan.
Basically, if to be honest, I haven't seen that movie. So, would you like to tell me what was the main theme of the movie?
So, first of all, I would like to tell you about dreams. If we
Hmm.
sleep at a night and we see dreams, we do not remember it from the start, right? The movie
Hmm.
is based upon the same logic. The movie comprises of a shared dreaming analysis where the main character of the movie, Dom Cobb, tries to steal ideas by sharing himself to another body in a virtual world. So, first of all, what they do is Dom Cobb is a working in a detective company in a corporate world, and he is believed to have superpowers to watch a shared dream and try to target the target's mind. So it is generally like a virus which spreads over time. What is shown in this movie is the difference between the reality of a person and what he sees in the dreams. The movie comprises of various flashbacks related to Dom's life and what he does to affect or influence the thoughts of people. So first of all, this movie is a complete thriller. If we see the action of it, and if we move further towards the plot, we would see many of the twists which are truly inspiring and truly amazing. This movie also shares the theme of love, happiness, and the feel of risk. This movie comprises of a risk factor where Dom has to either risk his life or Dom has to either die for living in a dream which he assumes to be reality.
Hmm. This seems
So this
amazing.
is basically the main theme of the movie.
Oh, yeah, this seems amazing. So
Then we can relate
I would like to
some
know some.
extraordinary themes such as crime and fear.
Hmm, I would like to know something more about this. So, like, would you like to explain some of the main scenes of the movie which you like the most, and to be specific with the reasons also?
Okay. So the main themes of the movie which I like, I would like to describe it in two examples. First of all, if we see the movie is completely based on the character of Dom Cobb. Right from the starting, he is a detective, and the villain of the film, Saito, has some depth over him. So the thing is, Dom Cobb tries to cheat Saito by telling a lie to
Hmm.
him that he would be in his mind while sharing a dream where he would steal an idea which is rather confidential inside the company.
Hmm. Yeah,
Secondly, what we get
yeah, yeah. Continue.
Secondly, what we get to know from this is that Dom is a character who doesn't like to live in reality. He's stuck in his dream where he sees her wife Mal. So the thing is, Dom's wife Mal has completely been lost in a dream, and the idea of inception. Inception is known as a word which means to eject ideas in a person's mind that affect his emotions or thoughts. So the task which is given to Dom by Saito is to eject the idea of his competitor's son so that Saito can rule over the world. So this movie explains that
Hmm.
Dom, who is able to inject the idea in his wife's mind that the world which they are living is not true, he thinks that the same strategy would work when he is on his way to complete the task where he has to eject the idea where a son of a competitive storm of Saito thinks that his father hates him and he wants to leave his company. So basically, Dom has a responsibility with his companions to attack the mind of Maurice Fisher, who has the famous company in the world, and try to steal the ideas of his life to affect him in a way that he tries to believe that his father hates him. But he has to do it rather in a positive way other than going in political terms. The second scene which I liked the most in the movie was the scenes which Dom has designed with his wife. So basically, what happens is that Dom and his wife Mal were living in a virtual world of dreams, and Mal, after at a point of time, believed that the dream is reality. They thought that whatever they are seeing in their dreams is real. It was a very big mistake of Dom to leave Mal in that place. The logic behind the scene is that if you die in your dreams, you will never be able to get back to the world. So Dom tries to keep this as a secret from Mal, and later on we get to know that his wife Mal had murdered herself and tried to do a murder case on Dom, which affects him a lot, and he is not able to get back home. So the scenes in which he accomplishes the task of कहाँ से करूँ कंटिन्यू तो बता तो अब 5 मिनट बोलने हैं ये 3 क्वेश्चन
So when a movie when a movie is made, there are some of the there are many fun behind the scenes, like and all of these nowadays are also now also shared with the public. So would you like to share some of the interesting behind the scenes part or making the movie which you would like to share with us?
So when I watched the movie, I thought that there would be no, superhuman types
Hmm.
VFX or graphics that have been used in the movie. But
Hmm.
when I searched about it on the internet, I got to know a couple of things which I would like to share.
Yeah.
So first of all, the movie is divided onto 4 locations that mainly describe the life of a person and the main characters in the movie.
Hmm.
The movie has generally used simple graphics and VFX, and some VFX were complex that used to move infrastructures
Hmm.
between dreams and the reality.
Hmm.
And secondly, there was one amazing thing which I would like to share, that the movie used totems. Now, totem is a thing that a person can describe that if it is true, it is he or she is in the real world, or else he is in the dream. So I think this symbolism technique by the characters was something different, which was a good behind the scene part. And if I
Hmm.
talk about the trivia of the movie, there were
Hmm.
many cinematic stills which were awesome, and you would like to see as a person. Many stills were related to characters, and many stills were related to identify the difference between dreams and reality. So overall, it was completely amazing.
Oh. So there any major takeaways in your life, like from the movies which you have implemented, if you would like to share with us?
If I talk about the movie, the character which has it has been focusing upon, the life or the situation times in which the character is living is very tough.
Hmm.
So basically, the movie teaches us that the value of a person who is close to us. For achieving love and affection, we might need to sacrifice some things in life completely. The movie also tells us the importance of time in a way that if someone is present to us, we might not love him or her in the right way and later regret it. The movie also explains us the right to make good decisions and not regret it all life. In the movie, we see that Tom has made some very crucial and messy decisions, and later on, he regrets all his life for making those decisions. So the movie has mainly taught us the risk factor taking, then showing love and affection, and trying to make the right decision at the right time.
So what are your opinions about this movie? Like more of these movies should be made to to motivate the people out there.
So basically, the movie is truly inspiring. At least every one of them who likes a science fiction movie would have watched it once over a time. So if I talk about this movie Inception is a major Oscar winning movie in the world of VFX and graphics.
Mhm.
It has won two Oscars for uh, sound animation and using graphics. So first of all, this movie is already a IMDb top genre movie, and I'm going to at least recommend this movie mostly to everyone. The scenes, the plot overview is such powerful that it would attract every viewer who sees the movie. And if I talk about the plot of the movie, it is truly amazing and inspiring. The twists in the story are amazing, and the movie is full of thriller. If we ever get a free time, or if you ever try to binge watch something, this movie is an absolute gem. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Happy. It was nice talking to you. Honestly, I haven't watched this movie and it was great listening to this. I hope people out there will love to watch this movie after listening to this. So finally with this we conclude our talk here. I was Thank you.
Thank you.